Hey, YouTube creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a game-changing topic that's going to take your content creation to a whole new level. We're diving deep into the world of AI-powered websites that can enhance your videos, optimize your channel, and boost engagement. Whether you're a vlogging veteran or just starting out, these AI tools are essential in your creative arsenal. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to explore the best AI websites that can revolutionize your YouTube journey. Let's jump right in. Streamline video editing with AI. Let's face it, video editing can be time-consuming. But fear not, because AI-powered video editing tools are here to save the day. Platforms like Magisto and Lumen5 analyze your raw footage and images and then automatically generate captivating video edits. You'll get professional-looking results without the hassle of navigating complex editing software. Magisto and Lumen5 use AI algorithms to understand the mood, style, and content of your videos. This means that whether you're creating a travel vlog or a tech tutorial, the AI will choose the perfect transitions, effects, and music to match your content's vibe. This not only saves you time but also elevates the overall quality of your videos. Eye-catching thumbnails made easy. Thumbnails play a massive role in getting viewers to click on your videos. Thankfully, AI-powered design platforms like Canva and Visme are here to help. These tools offer AI-driven design suggestions, helping you create attention-grabbing thumbnails that stand out in a sea of content. Imagine having AI analyze your video content and automatically suggest design elements that align with your video's theme and message. With Canva and Visme, you'll have a plethora of options to choose from, making the process of creating engaging thumbnails faster and more efficient. AI-generated content ideas. Every content creator knows the struggle of coming up with fresh video ideas. AI-powered platforms like TubeBuddy and Trello can be your creative spark. By analyzing trends and audience preferences, these tools provide content suggestions that are tailor-made for your channel. TubeBuddy, for instance, can show you trending topics in your niche, keyword suggestions, and even competition analysis. This means you'll always be in the loop about what's hot and what your viewers are interested in. Trello, on the other hand, helps you organize and plan your content calendar efficiently, so you never miss an opportunity to connect with your audience. Accessibility through AI transcription. Making your content accessible is not only ethical but also beneficial for SEO. AI-powered transcription and captioning services like Rev and Trint can save you hours of manual work. These platforms can automatically transcribe your spoken words into text, making your videos more inclusive and discoverable. Rev and Trint use advanced AI algorithms to ensure accurate transcriptions, saving you the trouble of manually typing out your dialogues. With accurate captions, you'll reach a wider audience, improve your video's search engine visibility, and ultimately increase engagement. AI-enhanced audience insights. Understanding your audience is a key ingredient in YouTube's success. AI-powered platforms like Social Blade and VidIQ provide you with comprehensive analytics that offers deep insights into your channel's performance, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Social Blade, for example, gives you a detailed breakdown of your channel's growth over time, including subscriber count and view trends. VidIQ dives into the nitty-gritty of individual video analytics, allowing you to optimize your content based on what's resonating with your viewers. With these tools, you can make informed decisions that will lead to more targeted and engaging content. Mastering video SEO with AI, search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for getting your videos discovered by the right audience. AI-driven tools like Morningfame and TubeBuddy can be your best friends in this endeavor. These platforms offer insights and suggestions to help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Imagine having an AI assistant that guides you through the process of selecting keywords that have high search volume and low competition. With Morningfame and TubeBuddy, you can unlock the secrets of video SEO, giving your content a better chance to shine in search results. Elevate your visual storytelling. Adding cinematic flair to your videos is easier than ever with AI-powered transition and effects platforms. Tools like Typito and Wave. Video offers automated transitions, animations, and effects that can take your visual storytelling to the next level. Typito, for instance, offers a variety of templates and effects that can make your videos stand out. Wave Video empowers you to create engaging video content with AI-driven features like automated subtitles and text animations. These platforms help you craft visually stunning videos that captivate your audience from start to finish. Conclusion, and there you have it, our in-depth look at the best AI-powered websites that can transform your YouTube content creation journey. From effortless video editing to smarter SEO strategies, these AI tools are your secret weapons for success. Have you used any of these AI platforms? Or do you have other favorites that have transformed your content? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, with the power of AI, you're unstoppable on YouTube. Keep creating, keep innovating, and keep shining.